how to make scientists. How to make volcano. First, you toilet as a little bit some color, red. Then you add some salt. Then you toilet add some oil. And then you add some water. And then you add magical touch. It's called the magical salt. Then you put it inside the volcano toy. Then boom! You take it down. Then all the toys dived. And this is the end of my video. Goodbye. That's the shirt my name.